Now to the application of Taylor's theorem. For example, find the Taylor series for the function f of x equal to x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6 about x equal to 3. So for the solution, we begin by finding the derivatives of the given function. So our given function is x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6. For the first derivative, denoted by f raised into 1 of x is equal to 3x squared minus 20x. For the second derivative, we have 6x minus 20. While for the third derivative, denoted by f raised into 3 of x is equal to 6. For the fourth derivative, we have equal to 0, since the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So we can conclude that f raised into n, this means that for n greater than 4, or from n greater than or equal to 4 of x, this is equal to 0. Then we can now substitute x equal to 3 to these given functions or derivative. So for the given function substituted by the value of 3, we have negative 57, right? You can check it. For the first derivative of 3, we have negative 33, right? For the second derivative, we have 6 times 3, 18, minus 20, negative 2. For the third derivative, substituted by the value of 3, we have 6, since this is a constant. While for the fourth derivative of 3 is equal to 0. Then, after that, we can now use the application of the Taylor theorem. Taylor's theorem states that this given function, which is x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6, is equal to the summation of f raised into n of 3 over n factorial times x minus 3 raised into n, since we have x is equal to 3 here. So this is from n up to infinity. Okay, this is equal to, using these values, we have now f raised into 0. We begin by n equal to 0. So this is equal to f raised into 0. What is f raised into 0 of 3? We have this one, f raised into 0 of 3, 0 factorial, x minus 3 raised into 0 plus f raised into 1, or the first derivative, 1 factorial, x minus 3 raised into 1 plus f raised into 2, or the second derivative. We have 2 factorial here, x minus 3 raised into 2 plus we have f raised into 3, or the third derivative, over 3 factorial, x minus 3 raised into 3 plus we have f raised into 4. Since the fourth derivative is 0, we can now write as 0 here. So simplifying this equation, we have, what is f raised into 3 of 3? We have negative 57. So this is negative 57. 0 factorial is equal to 1. So this is equal to negative 57. And this is equal to 0, or 1 rather, since any non-zero number raised into 0 is 1. So this is negative 57. So how about this one? We have negative 33, or minus 33. 1 factorial is 1. So x minus 3 plus, what is f, or the second derivative of 3? We have negative 2. So this is minus 2. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2, since 2 times 1, times x minus 3 raised into 2. How about this one? F raised into 3, or the third derivative, we have 6. 6 over 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3, right? Since 3 times 2 times 1, x minus 3 raised into 3. So simplifying this equation, we have negative 57 minus 33, x minus 3 minus x minus 3 raised into 2 plus x minus 3 raised into 3. So this is the final answer. You can do not simplify this equation, because if you will simplify this equation, you will go back to the original equation.